Hi there, guys. Today, this evening now, me and Klaus was supposed to start testing some stuff. It's Friday, it's 6 o'clock, and he couldn't connect through TeamViewer, so I tried to start the boat, but this is what happens. So now I've turned the PC off. I will turn it on, and I will show you what's happened. And we will push the button here. And we will see the computer start, and I will go around to here, and as you could see, it did blink. Your PC couldn't start properly. It's not enough memory available to create a RAM disk device. So yeah, seriously, I don't know what to do. I have put so many hours in this boat right now, so yeah, what should we do? Please help me with this again. Have a nice weekend. Bye.